Good morning, it is Friday, February 9th, and today I will continue on the Saya. So I did get the 3 pieces out. So we have the top, a bottom, and the welt that goes around it. I didn't bring it down to show it because it just looks like little leather pieces. I also did get hear back from the customer, so I will be doing a very specific patterning over on the front. So I will get all of that stuff started today. In between like the leather drying and other pieces gluing up, I will continue with the shaping of the 3 everyday carries. So got them all shaped nicely. This one's going to be a neck knife, so it's nice and slender. And then absolutely loving this one. Just the feel right there. Super excited about how that's feeling so far. So I will continue, they're all shaped. I will continue with the polishing aspect of these, see if I can't get them to hand sanding later in the day, like I said, while the Saya is drying, but the focus will be on the Saya, because as soon as that's done, I get to start the next custom project. So that's really it for me for today. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
What's up, y'all? Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I have got my refurb all glued up. Pretty quick process yesterday getting it to glue up, and then should get that to hand sanding today. Then I've got my next set of projects, some customs and a couple of stock knives for this month and a refurb. This is going to be a rehandle on this guy. We're looking at copper with some sort of dyed, straight stabilized, one color burly wood. Customer gave me kind of my creative freedom to go with that, which I appreciate. So we'll get the handle knocked off on that, get these knives hopefully cut and profiled. That should be a good chunk of my day, as well as whatever else comes in. So we'll see how that goes, give you progress tomorrow. Now we're gonna go on our favorite spot with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, buddy?
It's good.
What are we talking about?
Today we're talking about our laser engraving services. So we've mentioned it a little bit in the past, just want to do a solitary breakout. So we now have an engraved font option list for different engravings. Like we said, we've been able to figure out how to pull objects off of the internet and get them laser engraved to where they're looking good. We're pleased with it. We have our personal stamps that we can use on the laser engraving for different projects and stuff. Especially when we go super shiny, this will be super handy. So for knife engraving and such, we are fully open for business for that currently, and looking forward to seeing what projects we get coming up.
Right on. As an added thing, be patient with us. We will get some sort of pricing out there on the interweb and or social media. We also have a small pricing list here, so you guys can more than welcome give us an email and or a call, and we should be able to help you out through that. But some exciting new stuff, like we said, coming in and trying to get things done more in-house here. So very exciting. We'll wrap it up here. See you tomorrow. Wrap up the week, y'all.